to not use a formula and instead use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl E whenever possible. Let's get started. Normally, to combine these first and last names, I would use the CONCAT formula, but there's an even easier way. If I type out the name one time, click the cell below, and then press Ctrl E on my keyboard, my job is done. Ctrl E can be used in a lot of other ways as well. Let's take a look at some different examples. In this situation, I have the last name, comma, first name, as we often see on our Excel reports. I'm going to use Ctrl E instead of text to columns and delimiter to solve this. I'll enter the first name one time, enter the last name, click the cells below, and press Ctrl E again. My job is done. Ctrl E can be used to combine different types of data as well. Here, we have the month and day separated. If I type out one time what the date is or should be, Ctrl E and Excel combines the remaining cells. Excel can help you target and separate data within a spreadsheet as well. Let's say in this employee identifier, the last 4 digits are the employee's birth year, and I'd like to gather that information for reporting. I can enter the year one time in this template, and you guessed it, Ctrl E, and Excel will pull out the rest. For our last example, let's take a look at an example that's a little bit different. I want to draft a template email to send to employees. And of course, I only have 3 listed here. But in a real-life situation, there might be anywhere from 50 to 100, maybe even more. I'd like to personalize the email that I'm sending to them, so I can write out the first email. After typing that out one final time, Ctrl E, and Excel adds the employee name to my template, so I can easily copy and paste this into my emails.